Kyius, do it. What? Oh, you okay? That's cool.
Grayson, all the way in the back, behind Aslan. There you go, bud.
It's fun.
On the way and run again. To do it.
Say it.
I'm gonna jump on the zip line.
It's a little too slippery for that. Ready?
Today we're spinning the wheel to see what goes in the water. Spin it harder than that. What is in that actually? Orbeez, look it. The arrow's on yellow. I'm gonna try. What do we see? That's yellow. That's orange. These are square jellies, and let's put them in the water. These are square jellies. They're yellow. Let's put them in the water. Like that. They feel like jellies. Now can I start jumping them in? Oh no! That was yellow. Now it's spin the wheel again. Let's see which color we get next. Green. Green means go. What do we have that's green? This tow truck is green. Let's put it in. It floats. Actually, it sinks. It's because it has no air. It has no air in it. Let's spin the wheel again. It got gold. Yes. What is gold? This bag is gold. Let's see what's inside. Look it. Whoa. Look what I found in the bag. It's a glowing dark smiley face. Let's put it in the water. Hey, open it. Look it. It's not broken. Look, I turned it on. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the water. It glows. Look at Kyius, look at. Yeah. We're gonna spin the wheel and see what we can find in the water next. It got yellow again. Let's see what else is yellow. Let's put these jelly rocks in there now. All those jelly squares are getting big. Even the blue one, even the blue circles. No cash. It looks like they were orange and now they're yellow. What is going on? What is going on, kids? And then the when the bubbles rocks go up, when the bubbles fall up, the rocks go down. It looks like they're riding a bubble. Look it! That's so cool. I hope I get the black rocks next. I want to see what else. Let's spin the wheel again. We got green. This is green and let's put it inside. It floats. It floats. Thank you, green truck. Look it. Look it. We got blue. Look it. Alright, this time we're gonna put all the blues in. I have to take out the blue bag first. Oh, the yellow are getting super big. Look at me. One, two, and boom. Is this gonna be? Yeah. Look at it. Yay, I did it. Three, one, and float. Look at the blue on top of the yellow. Now time for the jellies. Jellies, here you come in the party. Look, this is blue. Whoa. Now we're gonna put the rest of the jelly in. Look, that blue's glowing. I spit on this blue. Look at these gold jelly stones. Look at the bubbles are popping, guys. I popped the bubble. Time to spin the wheel. Hopefully get red. Oh no, we got yellow again. Okay, time for yellow these. Let's use the rest of the yellow. Sorry, that was a little bit, guys. I'm sorry to mess up the video. Look, the yellows are getting bigger now. For the yellow marble jellies. Hey! Look! It's burnt! Yay! I did it! There's jellies falling from the sky. Rainbow jellies falling from the sky. Yay! It's red! Yeah. Look at the marbles and the square and the jelly crystals. Red falling from the sky. More red coming. For all those square jellies. Now time for these. There's yellow, there's blue, there's red. Now let's try black. That's hard to open. It's cool. Black's my favorite color, like red. Red's my favorite color too. It's dark red. That's so cool! Let's try the, let's fill it. Oh, we figured out the mystery.
That's the end of the life of Guy. Thank you all for swinging on by. That's all, till next time. But for now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, don't forget to like and subscribe.